Welcome to another episode of ArXiv Preprint Server Daily, AI Frontiers. Today, the focus is on a compelling set of 12 papers published on April 21, 2025, between 7:59 and 22:37 Coordinated Universal Time. These works fall under the category of computer science, computers and society, a field dedicated to exploring how AI and technology intersect with societal impacts. This episode embarks on a journey through ethics, governance, and critical applications, shedding light on how these innovations are shaping the future. Stay tuned for an in-depth synthesis of these groundbreaking studies. Let's begin with an overview of the field: computer science, computers and society. This subfield of computer science examines the broader implications of technology on individuals and communities. Topics such as ethics, privacy, accessibility, and policy are central, especially concerning AI and digital tools. It's an interdisciplinary domain, integrating insights from sociology, philosophy, law, and economics. A key question drives this research: how does AI influence human behavior and societal structures? In an era of ubiquitous technology, understanding these dynamics is more critical than ever. Turning to the first major research theme, the ethical and societal impacts of AI. A prominent concern in these papers is how AI shapes human aspirations and cultural narratives. As highlighted by Faisalpour and colleagues in their 2025 study, there's a risk that AI could limit the imagination of alternative futures. This concept, termed aspirational harm, points to a distortion in how possibilities are envisioned. With narrative power often concentrated in a few corporate-controlled systems, there's a pressing need to understand AI's psychological and social effects on society. The second theme emerging from this batch of papers is governance and regulation of AI technologies. Many studies emphasize the importance of creating policies to balance the benefits and risks of AI. As noted by Kumar and colleagues in 2025, the rapid growth of AI challenges existing legal frameworks. Proposals for compute thresholds and international safety standards are discussed as vital measures. These papers advocate for proactive governance to prevent under-regulation, ensuring that AI development aligns with societal well-being. Next, consider the third theme: AI in critical applications. This focuses on AI's deployment in high-stakes domains such as healthcare, national security, and infrastructure. As Godin and colleagues point out in their 2025 paper, AI holds immense potential for benefit but also significant risk of harm. A key concept here is dual-use technology, where tools can serve both constructive and harmful purposes. For instance, AI aiding virology research could also pose dangers if misused, underscoring the need for strict oversight in sensitive areas. The fourth theme revolves around market dynamics and AI capabilities. These papers explore AI as a commercial force, shaping user behavior and driving innovation. Research by Fradkin in 2025 highlights the adoption and competition surrounding AI tools. Additionally, evaluation studies assess AI performance in specialized tasks through benchmarking, a process of testing systems against human experts or standards. Such analyses reveal both strengths and gaps, providing essential guidance for safe and effective implementation of AI technologies. Now, let's delve into some key findings from these papers that illustrate AI's promise and peril. Godin and colleagues in 2025 report that AI achieves a 43.8% accuracy in virology troubleshooting, outperforming experts. Kumar and team predict that by 2028, between 103 and 306 AI models will exceed EU compute thresholds. In healthcare, Chakraborty and others in 2025 note a 77% accuracy in predicting treatment durations. Educational AI, as shown by Olney and colleagues, rivals human tutors. Yet, Claff and team warn of risks in security due to weakening safety standards. Shifting focus to methodology, these studies employ a range of approaches to explore AI in society. Large language models and AI tools are frequently used for both analysis and application. Conceptual frameworks address complex socio-technical challenges, while quantitative forecasting predicts AI growth and market trends. Case studies and empirical data provide real-world grounding for theoretical concerns. Additionally, benchmarking and evaluation metrics assess AI performance against human standards, reflecting the field's blend of technical rigor and societal inquiry. Among the standout works, the first seminal paper by Fazalpour and colleagues in 2025 introduces the concept of aspirational affordance. This idea explores how AI shapes practical imagination, potentially causing aspirational harm by limiting visions of the future. Through case studies, the authors highlight the concentration of narrative control in corporate hands. This paper is notable for offering a novel lens on AI's psychological and societal impacts, laying a foundation for rethinking AI's role in shaping human identity. The second seminal paper, by Kumar and colleagues in 2025, provides a forecast on frontier AI growth. It predicts that by 2028, between 103 and 306 models will surpass key compute thresholds, with growth following a superlinear pattern. This rapid escalation poses challenges to regulatory frameworks. Selected for its predictive rigor and governance implications, this study serves as a critical alert for policymakers and technologists to adopt proactive strategies in managing AI development. The third seminal paper, authored by Godin and colleagues in 2025, benchmarks AI capabilities in virology. Achieving a 43.8% accuracy rate, AI outperforms 94% of expert virologists, raising dual-use concerns. The authors advocate for governance of such high-stakes capabilities. This work stands out for addressing AI's disruptive potential in critical domains, urging immediate attention to ethical and security considerations in the deployment of advanced AI systems. Looking ahead, future directions for AI and society research are becoming clear. Priorities include deepening interdisciplinary collaboration to gain holistic insights. There's also a call for global AI governance and shared standards to manage transnational risks. Developing actionable strategies to mitigate identified harms is essential, as is enhancing public engagement in discussions about AI's societal role. Finally, refining evaluation benchmarks for high-stakes applications will ensure that capabilities are matched with accountability. To conclude, this exploration of AI's societal frontier reveals a field at a crossroads of innovation and responsibility. As Godin and colleagues in 2025 demonstrate, AI's transformative potential comes with significant risks. Kumar and team's 2025 forecast underscores the urgency of governance, while Fazalpour and others in 2025 highlight ethical impacts like aspirational harm. This dynamic landscape invites continued exploration of AI's evolving role in our world. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from ArXiv. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening.